Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear Mrs. Prof. Dr. Arita Marini MA and Mrs. Dr. Gusti Army MPD as lecturer in the Colloquium Projection Assistant course. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tri Agustin from Class B Elementary School Teacher Education in 2021. On this occasion, I will present the result of my manuscript. Okay, in this presentation, I will discuss the manuscript title, background of the problem formulation, state of the art or research gap, and literature review of the manuscript that I have prepared. The first is manuscript title. Here I have the title is Stop Motion Based Interactive Multimedia to Improve Interest in Learning Indonesian for 5th grade elementary school students. Next, I will discuss the background problems of my manuscript. The very rapid development of science and technology demands change in teachers' ways and strategies in teaching because this has a big influence on the world of education. Currently, educators are no longer the only learning source capable of providing all knowledge and information to students. Technology is good and has an impact on education. Learning media is very important for successful learning. Therefore, it is important for students in the current digital era to use the right media. According to previous research on the benefit of technology-based learning, choosing digital-based learning media must adapt student abilities to the learning media provide. One of the interest learning media is video. One interest learning video innovation is using stop-motion technique. This technique is one of the most popular animation creation technique. Apart from being popular, the stop-motion technique is also the simplest animation creation technique. It is said to be simple because stop-motion animation videos are made from a collection of sequential images which are then moved to become an animated video. Okay, next I will enter into a discussion regarding the formulation of the problem in my manuscript. The question I asked in the research was, is there an effect of using stop motion based interactive multimedia increasing, fifth grade elementary school student interest in learning Indonesian? This research can also answer the following question. One, how to develop interactive multimedia based on stop motion? And two, are students' interest in learning Indonesian different after using stop motion based interactive multimedia? Okay. After discussing the formulation of the problem, I will enter discussion regarding the state of the art or research gap in the manuscript that I wrote. In contrast to previous research, which mostly used stop-motion animation for science and social studies subject matter, in this research stop-motion animation was aimed at Indonesian language subject. While learning Indonesian will never be boring if you don't use interest learning media, and student interest in learning will decrease. Research in this case developed media that focus on fostering student interest in learning Indonesian using interest in learning media, namely stop-motion animation videos. This research used interactive multimedia based on stop-motion to increase interest in learning Indonesian for grade 5 elementary school. Finally, I will discuss literature review. In my manuscript, there is a literature review regarding stop motion. Okay, next slide. Stop motion animation and interest in learning. First, there is stop motion. Stop motion animation video is a technique in which physical objects are manipulated, creating the illusion of movement. To create a stop-motion animated video, objects are recorded in many frames which are executed sequentially so that when playback, the object appears to move by itself. Stop-motion animation is different from other types of animation. The movement in stop animation needs to be more cohesive because of the limited movement of objects or image used. Stop-motion animation is a computer or laptop-assisted presentation media made from several pieces of image that are related to each other and combined as if they were moving to become an animated video. Therefore, the technique of making stop-motion animation requires quite a lot of patience. But this animation has unique movement that produce a very interesting sensation. It is said to require quite a lot of patience because this animation is made by combining many different frames. The many different frames will produce a very interesting sensation. Okay, next, literature review about interest in learning. Interest learning is a special attention given to a particular subject, which is created by will and depends on talent and environment. Arousing interest in learning and realism is important, but each student interest in learning will be different because it depends on their individual talents and environment. Student interest in learning is important because interest will influence student abilities, attention, and motivation in the learning process. Students who have an interest in certain material will have better abilities, more focused attention, and high motivation to achieve further learning goals. Student interest in learning must be fostered by teachers through various innovative learning methods for students. These learning methods can be problem-based learning methods, project-based learning, context-based learning, game-based learning, and many more. Apart from using innovative learning methods, student interest can also be fostered by using interesting learning media so that the material can be conveyed well to students. Okay, so that's discussion regarding the manuscript that I have written. Sorry if there are any shortcomings or wrong words. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.